Hello everyone, this is Madhuri from JSK Coaching Center. Today I am going to let you know about what is paragraph. So a group of sentence which makes complete sense and serve one common purpose is that called paragraph. Like if I would like to talk about pollution. So if I would write a paragraph regarding pollution, so I would make a group of sentence which makes only common that topic purpose of pollution, which tell us about the pollution. So that would be called paragraph. And now I am going to let you know about part of speech. So part of speech is a group of traditional classification of words according to their functions in context, usually including the noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and so on. So traditional classification of words like that according to their function. Like if that work is like I am speaking one sentence like I am a girl. So if in this sentence the words which is the under the category of function, we would categorize the words like I is pronoun, girl is noun, like that. So now I am going for the type of part of speech. We have 8 type of part of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. So if we talk about noun, what is noun? Noun means that all naming words are called noun. So whatever you are watching around, whatever you are looking around you, so that is called noun. All naming words are called noun, like book, Ram, etc. This is Ram's book. So Ram is here, noun, and that is proper noun. Pronoun. What is pronoun? So we need to understand that a word which replaces noun, that is called pronoun. See, if I would speak noun again and over again, if I am speaking someone name again and over again, so it is looking odd. I am giving the example. If I would say Rina is a good girl, Rina eats an apple daily, so it means that I am acclaiming her name. I should not acclaim. So for reducing that noun again and over again pronouns, so we need to put one word which substitute the name of that person. So like Rina is a good girl, she eats an apple daily, and so on. Noun replacing words are called pronoun, as you know. So here example like I, we, you, etc. Is this your house? So your is here pronoun. And now verb. What is verb means? All action words are called verb. So whatever we are doing, that is called verb. Like the example eat, sleep, etc. And in Hindi the trick is that like जिस भी शब्द के पीछे ना आए नाम को छोड़कर मोस्ट ऑफ द वो हमारे वर्ब होते हैं, जैसे कि खाना, पीना, हंसना, गाना, रोना, XYZ. So here is example eat and sleep, and if you would that translated in Hindi, so it would be khana, and sleep means sona. So at the ending letter of it na. Now I love to read books, so read is here verb. Here is adjective. So what is adjective? So adjective means all describing words are called adjective. We mostly describe noun or pronoun and so on. So like good, honest, etc. You are an honest person. So honest is here adjective. Adverb. Now adverb, what is adverb? Adverb means a word which describing or modifying adverb or verb, that is called adverb. So adjective verb describing or modifying words are called adverb. They describe or modify. That's why they are calling adverb. Here example is very, slowly, etc. Like we are very humble. So here very word is adverb and humble is adjective. So that's why adjective, that adverb is describing here to adjective. And now preposition. So what is preposition? Noun or pronoun relation showing words are called preposition. They tell us about the preposition, means what is the position of before noun or pronoun. So like on, over, etc. The moon is shining over my head. So over is here preposition. Now conjunction. So what is conjunction? Joining words are called conjunction. A word which are joining two words to sentence and so on, that is called conjunction. So here and, what, etc. So don't talk while you are eating. So while word is here conjunction, and sorry I did not underline it. While is here conjunction. And now interjection. So what is interjection? Which shows our feeling, that's called interjection. And remember we tell about I told you earlier in video that injection, whenever we put injection to anyone, so it shows our feeling, how we feel. So like interjection and injection, both are different but both work is same. They express our feelings. So feeling, expressing or showing words are called interjection, like alas, hooray, etc. Hooray, we have won. So here hooray word is interjection. That's all. Thank you so much to lending your ears to me. I hope you would understand it, and I'll try my best again in next video. Thank you so much.